Hi guys! So, I got sort of awesome news. I was house sitting last night for a couple for their dogs. And my mom called me last night and told me that one of our miniature donkeys might be pregnant because her belly dropped. Yeah, I haven't even showed you guys them. Come here, Salvador. The one over here, that's Gigi. She's the one that's probably Prego. This is Salvador. I know, the bright light, the sun is blinding. There we go. That's a Salvador. Where are you, Gigi? There she is. That's Gigi. She might be Prego. My mom was trying to get the vet to come out probably today to check her on, to see if she's really pregnant. And it's kind of unexpected. My mom was wondering, hoping not to have a newborn baby in the middle of the night when it's like 40-something degrees. It was like 41 around 5 o'clock in the morning. It was cold. I'm not used to the cold. I'm a warm weather Florida girl. Used to the heat. And right now I'm just getting everyone ready for their breakfast. Just cleaning out their buckets. Use some hot water to clean it out. Another day at the farm. Also caught my dog rolling in horse poo. Not very fun. Especially when she likes to lay on couches and laying in the bed. So, I have about 6 horses, 2 miniature donkeys, let's see, 4 dogs, and a cockatoo. You probably already seen some videos of the cockatoo online. Alright, here we go. I know, the sun is just blinding. And there goes Mama. AKA Lulu. One horse, her name's Barbie. We take care of a friend's horse and probably helping him out. She's like our own horse, really. I was hoping to try to get a horse after I graduate from college. Alright. So, I don't know how it's going to be like to have a newborn miniature donkey around. I think it's going to be weird because I'm mostly going to be taking care of it. Because my mom, she's recovering from surgery. My other mom is working in the morning. So, and I'm going to be working in the mornings at the mall. So it's not going to be really be that fun. Great. Valentina is chasing after Barbie. Valentina is right now still the baby of the house. And she keeps chasing after Barbie. Oh, goodness gracious. Are you for real right now, Valentina? You're making Barbie and Gambler run around. And he just tooted. Oh my god. Now they're making Mama mad. Oh, there's the Arabians. Yeah, our next door neighbor has Arabians. They are beautiful. I wish I could turn the camera over. I don't know. I don't know if they're going to stop if I turn around. Yeah. They stop. Gambler's being hissy fit. Rudy, leave the horses alone. Goodness gracious, what has gotten into them today? What is getting into you guys? Oh my goodness. Is there a way I could turn the camera over? Oh my goodness, what's happening, Barbie? There goes Gambler. That's Barbie. And there they go. Oh my goodness. What is up with you guys? Lulu and Valentina. There's Lulu. That's Mama. Valentina, the baby. She ends up scraping her forehead against something and now has almost a similar marking to her mama on the forehead. Oh, hi. 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 See, Valentina. Lulu. When we put the white cream on her forehead, she looks almost exactly like her mother. Lulu. Really? What's getting into you guys? Did you start all this because you want to play? I see you smiling, Gamby. I swear. And this little munchkin is Rudy. Causing the rest of the horses to start running around. Good thing they were in the front pasture. When they got an Angel and Lena start pouncing and running around. I know this is going to be a long video. Oh goodness. These horses. These ponies. So yeah, somehow Valentina scraped her forehead on something. And now have this, like, chunk of hair just missing. For me, I told my mom I will laugh my butt off if that spot, like, either stays bald or if the hair grows back, it turns white. I will laugh if that happened. Because now she will look exactly like her mama. So, weatherman says today it's going to heat up. So, yay. Don't have to stay in the jacket inside. Where's the other dogs, though? Bella! Reese! Rudy, where's your sisters? Where's your sisters? Bella! Reese! Goodness gracious. Alright, so let me finish this up and I'll post another video when the vet gets here, if he's coming here today, and show the results. Woohoo! I don't have any of the fancy tech. I'm using my phone to video record. I don't know if this is coming out good or not, but who knows? I will start vlogging more about my farm life. Do you just eat a horse pellet? Birdie, did you just eat a horse pellet? Oh my god. Now she's going to have, like, the stinkies. For some reason, as soon as they have a horse pellet, she starts having these stinkies. She starts farting. Alright, let me let you go. Bye, YouTube. Hopefully the vet comes out today. Alright? I'll keep you guys updated on when this new baby donkey is coming.